Hi everyone, as requested by some of you, today I'm going to talk about the basic makeup brushes that one should own. So the first brush that you need is a top flat foundation brush. Like if you can see, it has like a top flat. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So the second brush that you need is a concealer brush. So when you're doing your inner corners or the corners around your nose, this brush is super helpful. The third brush that you need is a powder brush. This helps to set your foundation and concealer. So you can use the same powder brush to do your blush also. And the next brush that you need is an eyeshadow brush. By using an eyeshadow brush, you can blend your eyeshadow very naturally. So you just need these 4 brushes as a beginner and you do not need to buy that pack of 24 brushes. Hope this was helpful and I'm going to put the recommendations for the brushes in the caption below. Bye!